Hello folks, I wanted to share a method I've come up with to slice styrofoam blocks. Got a couple of these blocks from the local building center. They were throwing them away. I think they were just shipping fillers, and I wanted to come up with a way to get these 2-inch pieces that I'm going to use to lay along my foundation to insulate it along where there's some water pipes inside the crawl space. And so I'm going to use the hot wire method to slice that. So I took some of this nichrome. I'm using 24 gauge, and I stretched it across here. Can you see it here? And the way I did that is I cut up a old pallet, and I got this piece of the pallet here clamped to my workbench, and I just put a hook in there, and I measured up from the bench 2 inches to the center of that hook, so you can see how the wire's right in the center of the hook. Then I did the similar thing on this side with another piece of that pallet, and in this case I just hung the wire over, and this lower part here is at 2 inches above the bench in this case, and I hung some weights off of that wire, 12 pounds. I first started with just this bell weight here, which is about 5 pounds, and I didn't think that was quite enough tension, so I added 7 more pounds, so it's 12 pounds. And the reason you have to keep that wire under tension is it heats up and expands, so you want to keep it tight. I've seen the method where people use springs to take up that slack, and I was going to do that, and then I just thought this was easier for me just to hang weights off of that. And again, that's nice and taut, so I'll get a nice straight cut across there. And you can see how I've got one power lead just clamped directly to the nichrome, and the other end clamped just above the weights to the other end of the nichrome. And for a power supply, I'm using this old-timey 12-volt battery charger. A very, very good friend of mine gave this to me years ago. Bob is his name. And what I like about this is you can adjust the current. You've got a rough adjustment, low to high, and a fine-tune adjustment, also low to high. And then it's also got the amperage gauge, so you can make sure you're not, you don't want to get into this red zone, drawing too much amperage, heat things up, maybe cause a fire. So what I'll be able to do is dial this in to just enough amperage to heat that wire. And you can see how I've hooked it up to this. And this is 20 gauge doorbell wire is what it is that I'm using to go over to feed to the wire there. So we'll give that a try. I already cut the one piece and it worked well. So we'll turn this on. I've got both of the current adjustments down all the way down, and turn that on. You can see how I'm barely drawing any current at all. So I'm going to go down to the fine tune adjustment and flip that up one, and that looks good. So that tells me we are heating that wire up. See if I can set the phone down here, hopefully, and we'll see if we can get a nice cut on that. I'm just gonna kind of hold the styrofoam down tight against the table surface, and then that right on through the wire there. Slow but steady, just keeping a slight amount of pressure down onto this table surface. Pushing that on through. And voila! So that works very well. Got a nice 2-inch piece out of there. And I'll just keep doing that and get a bunch more of those. So that's how we set that up here. So thank you for watching, and I love you all.